let me share this short poem for my beloved Manila Business College. My alma mater, the bridge to my dreams. Your existence provides hope as it seems. From being discouraged to having a high esteem, cause you've made your scholarships a kind mainstream. Hindi sukat akalaing makapagtatapos, sa paaralang handang sumuporta ng lubos. Ang aking pagtingala ay walang hangganan, sa tulong at suportang walang pag-alinlangan. Manila Business College, you saved my ambitions. Your name should be known in the whole wide nation. There are a lot of dreamers who look up to you, and with that I'd say in advance, a very big thank you. Mga pangarap na akala'y wala ng pag-asa. Nakilala ka't hinayaan kaming magpatuloy pa. Minamahal na paaralan, isa kang ang tunay na alamat. At taus-pusong ibibigay ang habang buhay na pasasalamat. Thank you for the 4 years, Manila Business College.